Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Paysafe, a popular payment processor. Specifically, we'll be diving into the question, how much does Paysafe charge per transaction? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and talk about what Paysafe is and why you might choose it for your business. Paysafe is a payment service provider that offers a variety of payment solutions, including credit cards, debit cards, prepaid cards, and e-wallets. They're used by businesses of all sizes, from small e-commerce stores to large retailers. So, why would you choose Paysafe? There are a few reasons. First, Paysafe is a trusted and secure payment processor. They have a long track record of protecting customer data and preventing fraud. Second, Paysafe offers a wide range of payment options, which makes it easy for your customers to pay for their purchases. And finally, Paysafe is relatively affordable. Now, let's get to the question at hand. How much does Paysafe charge per transaction? The answer to this question depends on a few factors, including your payment volume, the type of payment method you use, and your location. However, Paysafe generally charges a transaction fee of between 0.5% and 3.5%. In addition to the transaction fee, Paysafe may also charge a monthly fee. This fee typically ranges from $5 to $25 per month. Here's a breakdown of some of the most common Paysafe fees. Transaction fee. This is the fee that Paysafe charges you each time a customer makes a payment. Monthly fee. This is a monthly fee that Paysafe charges you to use their services. Setup fee. This is a one-time fee that Paysafe charges you to set up your account. Chargeback fee. This is a fee that Paysafe charges you if a customer disputes a transaction. It's important to note that Paysafe's fees may change over time. It's always a good idea to check their website for the most up-to-date information. So, what does this all mean for you? If you're considering using Paysafe, it's important to factor in the cost of their fees. Paysafe is a relatively affordable payment processor, but it's still important to do your research and compare prices before making a decision. In addition to the cost of fees, there are a few other things to consider when choosing a payment processor. Security. Is the payment processor secure? Customer service. Does the payment processor offer good customer service? Features. Does the payment processor offer the features you need? Once you've considered all of these factors, you can make an informed decision about which payment processor is right for you. Paysafe is a popular and affordable payment processor that offers a variety of features. If you're looking for a payment processor, Paysafe is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.